Inside this video, I'm going to show you a simple affiliate marketing tutorial that anybody can do, especially if you're a beginner, and you can make upwards to $1,000 per week doing this affiliate marketing strategy. You're going to be able to earn commissions fast with this method. You don't have to wait to build a social media audience. You're going to be earning commissions from day one if you do this correctly. Also, the strategy can be set up in minutes, and you never have to show your face to make money with this affiliate marketing strategy. I'm going to show you how to earn affiliate marketing commissions on autopilot with a simple traffic source. So you don't even need to create videos in order to make this work. I'm also going to show you how to make high commissions, and I'm going to show you products that literally anyone can promote, so you can be in any country and promote these products no problem. And just so you guys know that this method does work, these are some of the stats that I have used to make money with this exact method that I'm going to be showing you inside of this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video to see the entire method and how to earn affiliate marketing commissions on autopilot. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you want to learn how I'm making $3,000 per month with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the first link down below this video inside the description. And now without further ado, let's jump into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Twitter. So all you have to do is just tweet out affiliate links and you can start earning commissions with affiliate marketing. This is my Twitter account right here, and I've been able to grow it to over 48,000 followers, and I've been able to do $500,000 per month just by using Twitter as my main traffic source. And in order to make money with this method, we're actually going to be promoting digital products from the Gumroad marketplace. Gumroad has tons of different courses that you can promote as an affiliate marketer, and I'm going to show you the best courses to promote using this method of promoting affiliate links on Twitter. First things first, head over to Twitter and create a brand new account. When you're creating your account, it doesn't really matter what you name it. You could either go with a personal account like I did, or you can create an account like other people do that are avatars, so you don't even have to show your face with this method. Once you've created your account, now it's time to go ahead and create your cover image, because that's going to be the first thing that people see when they go over to your account. So go ahead and head over to 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗪. It's completely free to use this in order to create a Twitter header image. So go ahead and just type in Twitter. After that, scroll down and click on Twitter header. Canva offers tons of different Twitter headers that you can choose from inside of the templates section. So I'm going to go ahead and do the digital marketing one, because that's closely related to the type of business that I do on Twitter and the one that we're going to be doing inside of this method. So you can go ahead and just edit this however you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and delete some of these things. So I went ahead and changed this to say affiliate marketing for beginners instead of digital marketing. And now I'm going to go ahead and add what our account is all about inside of the middle section. And I recommend that you create an account just like this with your Twitter header. I went ahead and added how to earn 3K a month, and now I'm going to tell people to click the link inside of our Twitter bio. And there we have it. This is exactly what you need to do for your Twitter bio. You just need to tell people what your account is all about. And for this video, I recommend creating an account about affiliate marketing, because I'm going to show you the perfect product to promote on Gumroad when it comes to promoting affiliate products on Twitter. So make sure to do your Twitter header like this, tell people what your account's all about, and then tell them exactly what they're going to get if they click the link inside your bio. So after we've added our Twitter header to our bio, now it's time to actually edit our profile. So when it comes to your profile, I highly recommend following this strategy when it comes to writing your bio. So first things first is tell people what your account is all about, and I recommend doing something like affiliate marketing, crypto, or copywriting, because those are three huge niches on Twitter, and a lot of people are interested in learning how to do those three types of business models. Then I recommend adding exactly what your achievements are. So if you're making money already online, go ahead and just add that right there inside the second statement. This is just to make people follow you and be more interested in clicking that link inside your bio. And then lastly, tell them your call to action. This is going to be your affiliate link to the program that I'm about to show you if you keep watching this video. And you're going to be directing people to that affiliate link, so every time they click on it, they're going to be cookied to your affiliate link, and you're going to start making sales with affiliate marketing. And then inside the location box, I recommend promoting either the same link or a link to one of your socials. For me, I chose to promote my YouTube channel, so I said subscribe to my YouTube channel inside the location box, and then inside the website box, that's where I have my link to my YouTube profile. But you can just go ahead and add your affiliate link here if you want to get more clicks on that link. Now that we have your Twitter bio all set up and ready to go, now let's talk about what product we're going to be promoting inside of Gumroad. And the product that I highly recommend is going to be Hustlers University by 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗪. As you can see here, they currently have 29,000 members inside of Hustlers University, and it's the hottest selling product right now on social media. So that's why I recommend promoting this product on Twitter. If you want to make $1,000 $1,000 a week with affiliate marketing fast. I will go ahead and leave the link to Hustlers University down below this video, and all you have to do is just sign up for the $49 a month plan, and then you can become an affiliate for Hustlers University 2.0, and tons of people are making money with Hustlers University. I'm currently inside of Hustler University Discord right now, and as you can see here, this person made $1,000. This person sold 100 orders and made another $1,000. This person made money here. This person's up $12,000. This person made $2,000 with these methods. This person made another $100 here. This person made $5,000, another $500 here. So as you can see, a lot of people are making money with Hustlers University, and it's the hottest product to promote right now. So all you have to do is just sign up for the $49 a month plan, and then you can become an affiliate for Hustlers University and promote that on Twitter. Once you have your affiliate link, I highly recommend going over to bit.ly.com and creating a link cloak for your affiliate link. That's going to help you promote it better on places like Twitter. So go ahead and just hit the create button on Bitly. Go ahead and just enter in your affiliate link for the Hustlers University. And then after that, you can just scroll down and just hit on create. And then that's going to create you a unique Bitly link. So all you have to do is just customize this back half here, and you can say whatever you want for your affiliate link. I'm just going to call it HU 2.0 sign up. And then I'm just going to hit create, and that's going to save my link, and that's going to be the Bitly link that I'm going to be promoting inside of the bio of the Twitter account that I showed you previously. Now that you have your Twitter account all set up and you have your affiliate link ready to go, now it's time to show you how to grow your Twitter account and get clicks on those affiliate links on autopilot. One of the fastest ways to grow on Twitter is just by commenting on other people's accounts that have over 1,000 followers. So if I go to my home feed, I'll show you exactly how to comment on people's accounts in order to get followers on your Twitter accounts. So right here I can see that somebody posted a tweet about affiliate marketing. So this is exactly the niche that we want to comment on. So let's go ahead and see if they have over 1,000 followers. They do. They have almost 6,000. So we will go ahead and click on this tweet, and then we're going to add a comment that's going to direct people back over to our Twitter account so we can get clicks on our affiliate link. So I'll just go ahead and like this, and then I will add a comment. So I went ahead and tweeted, affiliate marketing allowed me to go from being a janitor to making $5K a month online, best business model out there. So this is going to establish me as an authority inside of the affiliate marketing niche, and this is going to make people want to click on my profile and then go check out my Twitter bio, and that's where they're going to find that affiliate link to Hustlers University, and that's how we're going to be making sales on Twitter. So I would just click on the reply button, and that's going to get a lot of interaction. And as you can see, I could probably get about 20 to 30 clicks on my profile just by doing comments like that one on different people's accounts. When it comes to what you're supposed to tweet about, I recommend finding the most viral tweets inside of the affiliate marketing niche and then kind of copying them and changing them up a bit so it becomes your own content. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go over here to search inside of Twitter. I'm going to type in affiliate marketing. Then go ahead and search that and click on these three little dots here, go to advanced search, type in affiliate marketing, and then scroll down here, and we want to go to the engagement section. This is where we're going to say we want a minimum likes of about 300 because that means that the tweet went kind of viral. So then go ahead and hit the search button, and that's going to bring up the most viral tweets inside of the affiliate marketing niche. So as you can see, I'm actually one of the top here, and here I am again, and here I am again. So these are some tweets that went viral for me, but what I would do is find other people. So right here, before the end of 2021, learn one of these skills. So what I could do is I could go ahead and bookmark this and save it for later, and then I could take this content right here and change it up a bit. So I could say before the end of 2022, master one of these skills. So I'm changing up the wording a little bit to make it my own content. And then I could put affiliate marketing, I could put crypto, and then I could put copywriting, because those are some of the three biggest things taught inside of Hustlers University. So we want to be promoting the things that are taught inside of the products that we are promoting in order to get the best amount of conversion rate on our affiliate link. So I would go ahead and just bookmark that and use that. Here's another one right here. Be obsessed with self-improvement. So we could say be obsessed with affiliate marketing, and then we could give all kinds of different things about affiliate marketing, and we could use this styling for our tweets, and that almost will guarantee that we're going to get engagement on those tweets because these have worked in the past. But if you really want to hack the algorithm and grow fast on Twitter, then I recommend using what are called engagement groups. Engagement groups on Twitter allow you to exchange retweets with different accounts so that your tweets actually go viral a lot faster because you're getting a lot of people to retweet your account. So what happens is you're usually inside of a Facebook group or a Discord channel, and then you post your tweet for the day, and then other people retweet your tweet in exchange for you retweeting their tweets. And it really works well for blowing up your account. I've actually had this done for my Twitter account, and I've had a lot of these tweets like this go viral just by using engagement groups. So if you want to grow fast on Twitter and get a lot of clicks on your affiliate links, I highly recommend checking out engagement groups. And I'll go ahead and leave the link to this engagement group, Smart Engagement Community, down below this video. This is the one that I use, and I highly recommend it if you want to grow fast on Twitter. Next, let's talk about how to actually tweet affiliate links on Twitter. So you don't want to just outright spam your affiliate links all over Twitter. What you need to do is do it in a way that people are going to be receiving value from you. So I recommend tweeting underneath a viral tweet. So after you have one of those tweet templates go viral that I showed you how to find inside of the Twitter search bar, then what you do is you wait about 10 to 30 minutes after that first tweet goes live, and then you add another tweet underneath that relates to the first tweet. So as you can see here in my example, I say 30 minutes of reading a day will change the way you think. And I say my recommendation is start by buying and reading this Twitter guide, and I give them an affiliate link, and then I say follow it and watch your account grow. So that's the way that you actually promote affiliate links underneath tweets. You follow the flow of the tweet, and you actually get more clicks that way because Twitter is not going to suppress your tweet as much as they would if you just spammed it on the Twitter timeline. Here's some more examples of tweeting underneath a viral tweet. As you can see here, I created a tweet that said, if you're in your 30s, I can't stress this enough. And I listed out some different things that people could do. But then I said underneath it, I said, it took me 3 months to build this Twitter account that pays the bills. Soon it will pay me 6 figures. And then I tell them step by step what to do. Get the course, follow it step by step, do it for the next 3 months, and you will see results. And that's my affiliate link right there. So that's exactly how you're going to be promoting Hustlers University underneath your tweets on Twitter. So now that you know how to make money fast as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to go ahead and leave some links down below this video for resources so that you can follow this video step by step. So first link I'm going to leave is the link for Hustlers University 2.0. That's going to allow you to become an affiliate for Hustlers University, and you get instant affiliate approval for Hustlers University. You don't have to wait. It's instant, and you can start promoting it right away. I'm also going to leave a link for the Smart Engagement Community if you want to explode your Twitter growth and see tremendous results when it comes to engagement and clicks on your affiliate links. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to my course called Twitter Affiliate Masterclass. This is my personal course that I created, and it gives you everything step by step if you want to learn how to do Twitter affiliate marketing, grow your account, and start making sales with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to build an email list inside this, and I also give you my email templates so you don't even have to create anything yourself. It's basically a copy and paste business. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that down below this video as well. And if you want more content from me, I highly recommend checking out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. I create tons of content about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.